Why am I wearing this mask in my own house? This thing is killing me. Yo, what's good, y'all? And welcome back to another episode of Latrell unboxing stuff that's not his because obviously he can't afford that. Couple things. For one, yeah, you can see my sexy little cord here going to my lapel mic that I'm just now figuring out. So let's just pretend that's not there. And also two, obviously it's laundry day, so that's a thing. Also just pretend that ain't there. But today we got this essential 27-inch curved monitor here by Samsung, and I brought this so I can go ahead and unbox this. So thanks to Jackson for letting me unbox this. Now I want to go and see what's up with this monitor. I figured if it's gonna be unboxed, at least let me unbox it or somebody unbox it so we can get some out of it. All right, so how do I sound with this lapel mic? I'm trying to figure this out. I don't really know how this is working out for me, but we're gonna go ahead and unbox this thing, and I'm here on my pool table, obviously, as you can see here by the pool balls and the whole table, I guess. And as you can see here, I have my Galaxy Book S. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and see how that works with it. And I also have my Galaxy Book Flex, and what else do I have? I have a Tab S6, so we're gonna try Dex on there. And yeah, basically, I just want to go and see what's going on with this. So I never even seen a Samsung monitor, even though there's a lot of them out there. I have like an LG monitor right now. And I kind of wanted a Samsung monitor. Obviously, I still don't got one because I ain't got the money for that right now. But yeah, so let's see what's up with this. And by the way, Samsung, if you're watching this, which let's just be honest, they ain't, like, we already know this. Figure out your stuff and please just stop shipping your boxes like this. Like it's asking to be stolen on somebody's porch, because this is exactly how it came with the shipping label right there. Now, obviously, I'm not gonna zoom into that and show y'all, but it's there. All right, so yeah, as you can see here, I got the box that says essential. So yeah, nice wording choice for, you know, these days. We got the essential curved monitor here, so yeah, you can see here obviously it's curved, easy on your eyes, so best in class curvature of 1800R. What? Immersive gaming experience or FreeSync technology, so this will be a nice gaming monitor. And then we got the super slim design, so we got the 27-inch class here, as you can see, and the model number here is a CF398. All right, so I don't think there's really anything else that important on here, so let's just go and check this out. And let's hurry up, because if this thunderstorm starts and it gets aggressive and it cuts my power out, we're out of luck. All right, let's do this. Wait, is that already cut? Wow, Latrell, you're so impressive. All right, so here is the box. Now, at this point, should I just grab a tripod? Like right there, it's literally right there, Latrell. And yes, you can see my dirty laundry right there. Stop pointing at that. All right, there we go. Now let's go ahead and do this. So let's go ahead and take this part off, and right away, there's our monitor. All right, let's try not to break this because you didn't pay for it. And yeah, like, wow, this thing is actually way lighter than I thought it would be. And well, I think, yeah, so we got a couple more things up in here. So let's go and check this out. So we have some cables here in our user manual. Let's go and check that out here. So how do we do this? Like that. We got our usual bucks, but what do we do with that? We throw it to the side. And then here we have our HDMI cable, not Samsung branded. I know, it's so sad. But I mean, we do have some Samsung branding here with the zip ties, so you can go and put that on your loaf of bread or something. But yeah, I mean, it's a decently long HDMI cable. It's not that long. We got our power adapter here, and then we have our cord with more Samsung branding on the zip ties. So Samsung zip ties for days, cool. And then we have our plastic stand here. So no, it's not aluminum. I know you're so disappointed, but it's cheap too. This whole monitor is cheap. And last up, we got a part to the stand. All right, so cool. That was the unboxing experience. Yep, I just threw the box like that. And here is our Samsung monitor. So let me go and get this thing up out of here. So let's go and pick this thing up, and already, yeah, it looks pretty nice. So let's go and look around this real quick. So let's look on the left side here. We don't have anything, not surprising. On the back, let's go ahead and see what ports we got on here. So we have where we go ahead and attach that stand. We got our Samsung branding here at the top, and then we have a DP in, a HDMI in, we have a headphone jack, and then we got our DC 14 volts. So we go ahead and plug in our power adapter in there. And then you got this lock here, so you can go and lock it onto a desk or something so it don't get stolen. Lastly, we got our power button, which we can go ahead and move around and, you know, control the monitor. And on the right side, we just have our info here with the Samsung logo, our model code, and all that. All right, so that was the monitor. Let me go ahead and, you know, put the stand on here and everything, and I'll get back to y'all. And of course, my house phone starts ringing again, because everybody's gangster until the printer starts ringing. And yeah, I mean, kind of started raining out here, so you better not let me down, Kenosha. But I went ahead and attached this thing. Ain't y'all proud of me? Trust me, it's really easy. So you see this part right here, the one I showed you earlier? You literally just go ahead and push it into its place right here in the monitor already. And for the actual bottom piece here to hold up the monitor, you just go ahead and screw it into place, and there's already a screw attached to it. But yeah, so this is our Samsung monitor. But before we continue, I do want to just go over a few quick important notes about that monitor. So number one is that the stand does actually let you adjust it, and you can adjust it to these angles. Number two is that this thing don't have any built-in speakers, so the only time you're gonna hear audio coming out of that monitor is when it's going through the HDMI cord out of the headphone jack. And number three, the last important note I just want to go over real quick is that this video is actually being edited off of this monitor right now, and I haven't really been having any issues with it. After I did some adjusting in the picture settings, it's been working perfectly fine for me. So for video editing, this is a go. I recommend this. Alright, now we can continue the video. So for this part here, if you want to go and mount that to a wall, this is what it's for. Otherwise, you can just go ahead and put on the stand that it comes with, and that's what it looks like on the front. Yeah, I know, I'm just ruining all the fun of the dude who bought this. But yeah, this actually don't look bad. Like, I'm actually feeling it. So if you want to go and buy this thing, you can find it on Samsung.com, and it's gonna run you $200, and that's actually where he got it. So for $200, I might get it. I don't know, but well, we'll have to see about that. Because for right now, this one right here, that's my baby. But sorry, you're gonna have to go. So cool. So this is what's gonna look like with my janky desk setup that I got going on. But here's something interesting I found. So this is the cord that came with the Samsung monitor, and this is the cord that comes with my LG monitor. They're the same exact thing, so I'm gonna just use this. All right, first time, let's go ahead and do this. There we go. So I just plugged it in, and we should be getting, oh wait, there we go. So you see the status light, and where we at? Come on, Samsung. I'm assuming we gotta go and turn it on, so I'm gonna go and press that button there in the back, and there we go. And there we go. So yeah, that's our monitor. So I need to go ahead and configure this and everything. Obviously, as you can see, but if I go and move my mouse, everything works on here. And let me go to display settings, and now let's go over here to let's see here. All right, so cool. There we go. 1920 by 1080, and man, that's immersive. Like, you guys just gotta be here in person. Like, that gets really immersive. I love the whole curved screen thing, because my LG over here, that's not curved, but it is widescreen. And yeah, wow, not gonna lie, like, I'm really feeling this. Jackson, I'm gonna have to steal your monitor or something, man. But I don't know, because as you can see here, I use 2 HDMI cables, so maybe I have to get some kind of a converter or something like that if I want to go and get one of these. But yeah, not bad, man, not bad. So let me go and use the controls here in the back. So as you can see here, we can go ahead and go back. We got our menu, we got our source, power off, and then we got eye saver mode. Now let's go to the menu here and see what they got going on over here. So we got our Samsung Magic settings. I never heard of Samsung Magic. But if I go down here, we have our eye saver mode, we have game mode, so we can go and optimize that if we want to, turn it on and always on, or just turn it off. We got our response time, which is fastest, faster, and then standard. We got our picture sizes here, so we're gonna go and put that on auto. And then let's see here. So on screen display, we got the transparency. So they're actually talking about this menu right here. So you can see I could turn it off, I could turn it on, and then you can see it's on because you can see the taskbar right there. But we got our position, so if we want to go and move that to the middle or anything, we can go and do that. So as you can see here, it's moving right there, but I'm gonna go and leave it in the corner. We got our display time for how long this screen here will display. So if I'm not interacting with it, it'll just go away in 20 seconds. And then for system, we have FreeSync, we have Eco Saving Plus, off timer, PC AV mode, source detection, key repeat time, power LED on, and then we got reset all. And then for our information here, we just got our monitor information. But yeah, I never thought I would really like the curve thing this much, but I'm really feeling this. Now, this is gonna be an LCD display. You're not gonna get QLED or anything out of this. And it's gonna be 1080p, but at the same time, you know, this is a Samsung screen here. We know how Samsung does with their displays, okay? But the colors and everything, Yeah, it really looks nice out here, man. And as a video editor, I think it'll work out good for me. So let's go and pause that. And yeah, so I gotta go and return this thing after it stops raining because I'm not gonna be responsible for water damaging this monitor. But I'm gonna go and get out of here, y'all. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, go and give this video a like. And if you really liked it, go and subscribe. But go and follow me on social media, EddieSaidTech on Instagram and Twitter and Facebook. But Instagram and Twitter is I'm most active. But yeah, so what do you think about Samsung's $200 monitors? So in my opinion, I feel like you get a lot out of this for 200 bucks. Like, I'm actually genuinely impressed with this right now. Now, I could try one more thing. So with this LG monitor, the headphone jack on here is just complete trash. Okay, like, I'm gonna just say that right now. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna go and plug a cord up into this thing. I'm gonna go ahead and plug the speakers into this monitor, and we're gonna go and see how it sounds. So let's go and do that. And okay, so playing it right now, it sounds just as good. Like, look at this right here. So you can see right there, I do have it plugged into the monitor right now. And yeah, no issue. So this will be a lifesaver for me. Because for me, I like to use Samsung Dex with this thing with my Tab S6. And with the Tab S6, it doesn't have a headphone jack. But now, since I don't got to worry about plugging the cord into the Tab S6 because I already have that plugged in to, you know, display the picture here, I'm good. But yeah, I'm gonna go and get out of here, y'all. So thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.